Marion Oaks comes together again for the 4th annual Community Bulk Trash Pickup, a day of teamwork, pride, and cleanup. And none of it happens without our incredible sponsors. A huge thank you to Robb Harrison Realty, Bearded Browncoat Comics and Games, Cafecito con Leche, Ocala, Rosario Hardware, Domino's Pizza, Felix Vizcaino Realtor, Golda's Place, Hurricane Pawn, Infinite Royal Designs, Jennifer Suarez, Mortgage Loan Officer, JFRT Business Services, Kahu K9 Rescue, Marion County, Florida Solid Waste, Laundry Hub, Marion County, Florida MSTU General Service, Trunk of Magic, Marion Oaks Recreation MSTU, LGI Homes, LPT Realty, Matthew Tinkham, Yneliz Home Bakery, MP Group Solutions LLC, Waste Pro, Ocala Tax Service, Ricky's Watch and Jewelry, The Oaks Barbershop, Unique Auto Repair, The Attic Thrift Store, Mercy Beauty Salon, Kubrisley and Basso Development. Your support keeps Marion Oaks beautiful, clean, and united. Together, we make a difference, one cleanup at a time. For more information, contact Miguel Sanchez at 787-309-3014.